We used Tesla chargers in Spain.
Yes, they were available along our route, and they seemed to work flawlessly.
But how about the pricing for Tesla chargers? Barcelona was on our left. It has a population of over 1.5 million people. The first charging stop of the day was Tesla Cara de Montbrió.
Here, the price per kWh was 42 cents. That's 3 cents cheaper than at Ionity chargers.
In Spain, the speed limit on highways is 120 kilometers per h. The roads are smooth and the conditions are decent, perfect for electric cars.
Exactly. It's a smooth drive. The music sounds great.
Quite the thumping music.
Watch the full episode on YouTube so you can see the cost of this trip.